Women and girls are the most vulnerable group affected by consequences related to Srhr issues. Lack of access to Srhr information and services, limited knowledge on laws and policies that protect their sexual reproductive health rights, leading to high rate of teenage pregnancy and gender-based violence cases. For years, there was lack of collective mobilization and joint advocacy movement by young women human rights defenders in Rwanda to advocate on the Srhr issues faced by girls and women. Creation of Rwanda Young Women Srhr Network came to change that, to be a driving force that mobilizes young women human rights defenders to amplify their voice for Srhr activism in Rwanda.
Generations organization being part of the network benefited us in our work of advocacy, because we realized that being one voice as one organization voicing out the issues of women was something difficult to us, and it had different challenges. But coming together with others, it was a great platform where we have been able to raise collectively our voices and standing jointly with other women, other organizations, advocating for those issues that are affecting girls and women.
Since 2022, Rwanda Young Women Srhr Network implemented a project titled The Champion We Rise, funded by Swedish Institute in partnership with Kivina Tel Kivina and coordinated by the Secretariat Save Generations Organization.
Tugitangira, from experience, our members benshi ntabwo twari dufite skills na knowledge ku bintu bijyanye na advocacy.
Instruments twari dufite zijyanye no kuri women and girls rights ntabwo zari so detailed. Twari dufite nkeya, ariko muri iyi project twabonye all kinds of instruments zivuga kuri rights of women and girls ku bijyanye na Srhr issues.
Byaduhaye no kumenya gusangira amakuru ndetse n'uburyo dukoramo ibintu tukabunoza kurusha uko twabikoraga mbere. Ni ikintu cyiza cyane twishimira kandi twifuza ko cyazakomeza muri network.
Kujya gukora advocacy as a group bizadufasha cyane in the future, kubera ko twese tuzaduhuriye ku kintu kimwe, tuzadufite intego yo kuvuga ngo ibi bintu twarabyize, twarabyemeranyije, let's fight for this.
The project aimed to increase coordination and collaboration between young women-led organizations working on Srhr and create a safe space and a platform for them to learn from each other and share the best practices they do together. It also aimed at building capacity of young women-led organizations working on Srhr to increase their knowledge and skills on Srhr policies and laws, policy analysis, and advocacy strategies. Network members together voted the leadership structure of the network in charge of decision-making for better coordination and ensuring network sustainability. The network members has engaged in Srhr activism and advocacy through assessment done in 12 districts in Rwanda on issues women and girls face. They have advocated for these issues through an advocacy meeting with key stakeholders from governmental institutions, including parliament members, Mijeprof, Ministry of Youth and Culture, RBC, Ministry of Health, Ministry of Education, and other different civil societies, with an aim of advocating on the findings from the assessment done on issues women and girls face. The network is all about advocacy. We seek to be more engaged in advocacy for women and girls' sexual reproductive health in all their diversities to be respected.
Ntekereza ko network ahantu ikeneye gushyira ingufu ari mu gukusanya inkunga zadufasha gushyira mu bikorwa imishinga dufite.
habaho kwiyongera kw'aba members, gushaka andi ma organisation akorana n'abadamu atari muri network nayo akaza muri network kugira ngo ibyo dukora bibashe kugera kure.
We need to learn from other networks, not only within the country ariko n'ahandi.
Hazabaho advocacy iri collective, effort zaba zariyongereye, advocacy be strong kurushaho, ku buryo abagore n'abakobwa mu Rwanda no hanze yarwo bazaba babasha kuba accessinga Srhr services and information biboroheye kurusha uko ubuvugizi bwazaga kuba bwarakozwe n'abantu ku giti cyabo. So izi mbaraga zirakomeye cyane kandi zizatanga umusaruro, zisubiza ibibazo byinshi by'abagore n'abakobwa bijyanye n'ubuzima bwabo bw'imyororokere bitari byarasubijwe mbere yuko network ibaho.
This network will serve as a platform where organizations can join their voices to do advocacy, which is something that is important because it helps to combine effort, but also to join different organizations with stakeholders, with the government, to look together, work together to solve the challenges we face, either at the community, at the law, or at the policies level. It's really important also for individuals and organizations that are part of this network because we brainstorm together, we share best practices, and we brainstorm how we can sustainably bring change and address the Srhr issues we face in our daily lives where we work with our right holders.
I would like to take this opportunity to express our sincere gratitude to all the partners who have supported the Rwanda Young Women Srhr Network. Your commitment and dedication to our cause has been invaluable in helping us to achieve our goals. Thank you Kivina till Kivina, the Swedish Institute, and the Swedish International Development Cooperation Agency, and other partners who are interested in supporting our work. Thank you for being part of our journey towards empowering young women in Rwanda and promoting sexual and reproductive health and rights.